stay together for the kids, but how much childhood trauma is created by people staying in relationships that are not fulfilling to them?
Is it really better for people to stay unhappily married for their entire lives?
If we can break that stigma that I think is starting to be broken and just kind of normalize people growing and changing, I think that's how we cut down on trauma. I don't know that divorce needs to be cut down on, but if that's the goal, a few things that I think are good are waiting longer to get married, waiting until you really know yourself. We're always evolving. I know this version of me, I think, pretty well by now, but I'm gonna be different in 5 more years. And am I still gonna be compatible with my husband? Are you still gonna be compatible with your wife and who you become in the next 5, 10 years? Maybe, I hope so, but maybe not, and that needs to be okay too. Nobody is the same person at 25 as they are closer to 30. There's a lot of growth and a lot of maturity that happens in that space. So I think there's nothing wrong with waiting a little bit longer to really know yourself. Strengthen the relationship while it's already strong. Reinforce it. Early couples therapy, even if you feel like you don't need it, that's when to get it before something's broken.